here. Looking.
Morning, guys. Time check is 5:28, and we're gonna get out there on the water. I'm gonna get some breakfast going, some eggs and oatmeal, and now we're gonna get out there on the water and see if we can't catch some bass this morning. Should be a good time. Let's go. All right, here we go. Eggs, oil, Cavenders. Looks like we are slightly off level here. Bugs. Sorry, guys. Got my lights. Well, guys, time check is 8:47, and it has been a quiet morning. I think I had one bite, good bite. I don't normally fish right here, so it has proved to be quite a challenge. But it is a beautiful morning. I got some good sleep last night. And yeah, just looking. I have marked a lot of fish. But I don't know, they're being tricky, that is for sure. The water temp is 84 degrees. So we'll ride around and see what we can find. So our trip on the lake was not a failure, but didn't really have a whole lot of luck. It's really, really hot and really humid. But the good thing is we have bacon cheddar burgers. Right on. So we're gonna dig in as soon as they're done. Do you hear that sizzle? Full shizzle. So here is the old campsite. Trunk. Boat. Charged. Ready to go. Canopy. Coolers. Water. Firewood. Tackle. Pots. Pans. My old GI field desk. Tell me that thing is not awesome. Look at that. Drawers. Storage. So I have somewhere to hang out by the fire. Then got my tent here. Quarters, sleeping, fans, table, gear, cameras, power. Heck yeah. It's awesome. We are doing well. Got done swimming a little earlier. So I think I may cook up some mac and cheese. So come over to the old truck here. I have a tote full of dry food. And we have our food stuff. So let me grab some cheese, boil up some water, and we'll get going. I love that thing. Must have. When you get one, you can cut a hole in the box and put it on the table and put that right in so it stays vertical. Must have. So I got my burner and my base and put that on the bottom. The little feet fold out, and then you have your burner that you'll screw on top. this right here was only $1 at Ollie's. $1. Can't go wrong with that. I am really, really happy with this Thermacell. It works good. I will keep it right here. I'm glad that it cooled off. Today was hot, but I went for a swim for about an hour, and that helped a lot. So we're waiting for my buddy Brian to get here, and we're gonna have a fire, burgers, sausage, and relax, and yeah, get out there in the morning. It was completely uneventful this morning, but I am just enjoying being out here. They are so close, and I feel like I should go down to the water and get some video footage of the airplanes. You can sit on the beach down there and watch the planes take off. The cool thing with these is if you have a bowl already or a mess kit, you can throw this away in the package and just take the contents with you. Vacuum seal that sucker, and it will save a lot of space. And filling, oh my gosh, so filling. It's only $1. Can't beat it. Alright guys, here we go. I am gonna put this to a test. Will it work? Plasma lighter. Let's find out. Cool, it works.